Alright, cool. So, here's a quick video for how to find an exponential equation when you're given a table of values and you don't know how to find it. So before, what we were doing is just trying to guess and check. Just as a reminder, the equation looks like this. Y equals A times B to the x. So A is your starting amount, your starting value, and B is your multiplier. So if this is our table, here's our x's, here's our y's. Our x, at x is 0, we have 4. So that's automatically our starting amount. Most people were pretty good at that. So we're doing this. We were saying y equals 4 times some number 3 times to get 75. So we were taking that 3 times to get 75. And we hadn't done anything but try to guess in our calculator. But now what we're going to do is we're going to say this. We're going to say we want 75 when we take 4 and multiply it times our b value. So I'm going to rewrite it so you can see. But 75 equals 4 times b to the third power. So now we've written an actual equation. We just haven't solved equations like this before. However, we've learned laws of exponents and rules of exponents, so we've added that to it. So to solve for b, so that we can write our final equation, divide by 4 on both sides. So that would be 75 divided by 4 over here. The 4's here cancel. 75 divided by 4 is 18.75. That equals b cubed. In the past, you've seen like b squared. You haven't seen b cubed, or you've just seen b. So to solve this, we need to take we take the cube root of it, but we use the laws of exponents, and we use fractional exponents. So we are raising this to the 1/3 power. And we raise this to the 1/3 power. The reason we do that is because the law here says that we multiply exponents. So this 3 is multiplied times the 1/3. So that equals b equals 18.75 to the 1/3 power. So when you do this part over here, you enter it into your calculator, except when you enter it into your calculator, you need to make sure that the exponent itself is in parentheses. So you enter 18.75 to the power of, and then in parentheses put 1 divided by 3. Once you hit enter, I think you end up getting 2.65. And then your final equation would be able to be written, because this is your b value. You have your a value, which is 4. So then it's y equals 4 times 2 to the power of x. Now, if you round that and then you check in your calculator to make sure the table works, you might have a little bit off. It might be like 24.999 because of rounding issues. But as long as you're right there, we know we're good. So that's how we solve it. The key is setting up your equation and knowing how to use the law of exponents here, one of the laws of exponents, to solve for b. And that's it. Thanks.